Natasha's gonna snow today.
Oh, Carly, oh my goodness. I just want to tell you yes. And really the answer is yes. It depends on your neighborhood, of course, and I'm going to show you exactly where we're seeing it now and where we expect to see it tonight and tomorrow. In fact, areas where we're expecting to accumulate snow will widen just a bit. But going up to West Hills, we expect to see the snow there. Yeah, it's 700 feet. Willis, the weather dog. Thank you, Mary Lose, for sharing your dog with us. I love his face, just like I am not amused by the snow and wind at all. Over to 500 feet. Thank you, Jeff, for sharing your picture, because here you can see very clearly the snow has already begun accumulating on roadways. What are we seeing with the wind right now? Out of the east at about 20 miles per hour. That's your sustained wind. We're getting gusts upwards of 30 to 35. But as soon as you go up Highway 26 and past the zoo, that's where you're getting wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour. So the wind speed has increased and our temperatures are indeed dropping. 32 right now in Portland. We expect to bottom out right around 30 degrees, and really that's all you need. That plus some wind, and it's going to feel more like it's 20 or in the teens as we roll into tonight. What do we see on radar? A very fine line between where you're getting the snow and where you're getting either just rain or freezing rain. As you go south and west of Portland, that's where the temperature difference is making a huge difference in what actually lands on the ground. We are also seeing some accumulations beginning in the Vancouver area. Let's talk about snow totals. I was showing you this earlier, but I really want to drive home the fact that what you're seeing right now is nothing compared to what we're expecting as we roll into the next 48 hours. So we go from tonight through tomorrow morning, and your snow totals could range anywhere from Hillsborough, 2 to perhaps 2.5 inches, Vancouver 1 to 1.5 inches, Portland getting closer to 3 inches. As soon as you head into the gorge, easy getting snow there, anywhere from about 5 to 6 inches for your Cascade Locks out to Hood River, and certainly for the Cascades, we'll be piling on the snow. But look at what happens as we roll into Friday night, early Saturday morning. Now we're up to about 5 inches in Portland. Big time accumulations over a foot for the Cascades right around Mount Hood. Saturday system is going to, I don't know any other better word to use other than juicy. That's right, Steve Pearson, giving you some credit for that one. But the amount of moisture that we're seeing arrive from the Pacific is incredible. Turn that over to some cold air, and now you got a nice combination for, yeah, certainly seeing some winter storm-like conditions, especially going through the gorge with that gusty wind. So Troutdale could see a range anywhere from 8 to even as much as 12 inches on the high end. Of course, keep in mind, these totals could certainly change. And that's one of the uncertainties about forecasting snow for this area, is we do see a lot of changes, even leading up to about 8 hours ahead of time. So just keep that in mind. We would just want to keep you prepared here. Looking a little bit closer to the gorge, if you happen to be needing to travel, I would just suggest you not. But try to put it off. Try to put it off at least until perhaps Sunday or even Monday, when temperatures will start to warm up a little bit more. But look at tonight through tomorrow morning. We see that area of snow widen out just a little bit more. And as soon as we get to those early morning hours, we're going to momentarily actually dry out just a bit. That's our cold front coming through, the coldest air really in place as we get to Friday late morning to about noon. And then the next system shows up right on its coattails. So this will put us at Friday night right around 5, 6 o'clock. Look, once again, we're seeing that repeat pattern because that warmer air is going to surge up initially and then eventually turn around. But Salem, all the way over to Tualatin, you go over to McMinnville and Newburgh, even as far west as Tillamook, you could be seeing freezing rain initially Friday night, that turning back over to snow, but not for everybody. Once again, we're seeing a big divide between what you're going to get in Salem versus what you're going to see closer to Portland and up through Vancouver and Cowlitz County and Clark County as well. We get into Saturday, and Saturday a more widespread area of snow developing, but this time it's transitioning further to the north. So your chances of seeing any snow in Salem then disappearing as we roll into Saturday midday to afternoon and into the evening. Your 7-day forecast does include slightly warmer temperatures, but I want to just point out, really drive home, you got to cover up your skin, because with that wind chill, 29 degrees tomorrow is going to feel more like 19 degrees as you get into the middle of the day.
All right, Natasha, thank you. Hey, we want to give you this live look.